Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Boulevard M109R. 1800 cc's, a big bore, Vtwin performance, fuel injection, liquid cooled, shaft drive. It's got that really cool fairing on it. Suzuki Boulevard bags and passenger backrest and rear luggage rack. We also have the rear seat cowl. If you want to go solo, come by, save thousands over the price of new. This bike is only $99.99. It's not going to be here long. Just 8,400 miles on this beautiful boulevard. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.